Hi guys, Bess here. Just quickly, I've just finished art class and I've had a few people message me to say what do they need for tomorrow's the world's largest, biggest, most exciting sip and paint. I've been posting it everywhere, to the radio, to the news, in Italian communities. So hopefully we're going to get a whole load of people joining us tomorrow. If you haven't diarised it, it is in Australia, Brisbane time, 7 p.m. in the evening, which makes it Saturday morning in Europe. I did think it was Friday morning for some reason, but it's Saturday morning. So look, I've got the kit laid out. To be honest, you can use all sorts of things. So let's start where it's important. I got some Italian Prosecco ready to go for my Italian painting. One of my students today brought me some flowers, bless them, to cheer me up. And then obviously France are going through it as well. So I've got some French fries snacks, a bit of chocolate to get me through. But in terms of the materials, this is where we're at. So you can go down the route of using a canvas, or you can use paper. I've sketched it out ready to go just to have a little practice today. Some paint brushes, a variety of shapes and sizes, pencil, rubber, pencil sharpener. And the paints we're going to need is yellow, blue, purple, pink, white, orange and black. These are obviously not squeezed out because I don't want them to dry, and I'm going to squeeze them out onto my paint palette. If you don't have a paint palette, then these are my IKEA placemats, which I use instead of paint palettes, flat paint palettes. So you can put your paint on there. If you don't have that, just squeeze it out on paper. And if you don't have acrylic paints or poster paints, then you can use watercolours. Okay, so you can use either. Other than that, a rag to mop things up, some water, and that's it really. So like I say, I'll be here tomorrow night. I'm going to have my wine open, and then I'm actually going for supper at some friends who are doing a little intimate dinner just so that we keep connected. So please join me tomorrow night, 7 p.m. Brisbane time, to do our beautiful Venice painting. And let's think about all those people in Italy that are totally in self-isolation and doing it tough. All right, so I see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye.